In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting on your mobile phone, even if you're a first-timer. You don't see the Join button, you don't have the Calendar tab, or you only have a meeting ID and passcode, or a meeting join link. So let's jump straight into it. First, open the Microsoft Teams app on your phone. If you're new and the app is asking you to sign in, you can sign in with any Microsoft account. If you don't want to sign in at all, tap Join Meeting with an ID. Now enter the meeting ID and passcode that were given to you. Type the meeting ID, then the passcode, and press Join Meeting. Type your name. Next, tap Join Now. You will join the meeting instantly. Alternatively, you can join a meeting with the meeting link. If you have a link instead of an ID, simply tap the meeting link from your email, SMS, or WhatsApp. It will automatically open Teams and take you straight to the join screen. Or copy the meeting link, open your browser, and paste the link URL into the browser address bar. And hit Enter. You will see this Join Meeting button. Tap it. You will be redirected to your meeting app. Just tap the Join Now button. You are done. Now let's deep dive. First, open the Microsoft Teams app on your phone. If you're new and the app is asking you to sign in, you can sign in with any Microsoft account. After signing in, you will see the Calendar tab, and you will see all the meeting schedules in your calendar, and you can join the meeting from here. You can join or create a meeting from here. And that's it. You're in the meeting. So if you were confused because the calendar option wasn't showing, the join button was missing, or you only had a meeting ID and passcode or link, this is the quickest way to join a Teams meeting on your cell phone. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.